Okay, so I've got all of these really super old, and I'm not even kidding you when I say old, I mean about 20 years of old paint. This particular brand is Poly S. I think they also call it Polyscale paint. It's still around as far as I know, but these are some super old containers. I just have a ton of them I want to get rid of. I went through and tried to restore some of them to at least a state where I can use them. I know it sounds criminal to paint a new figure with crappy old paint, but yeah, I mean, this was kind of a quickie job, and I just want to do something fun with it, so that's what I'm going to do. So here we go.